guys, we're about to make a craft clay, and we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of water, and then I need a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a 1/2 cup of baking soda. So there's a 1/4 and a 1/2. And then I'm going to put the heat on medium. Okay, so after about 4 minutes, it's starting to simmer. And again, I'm on low heat because it is a small amount and I don't want it to burn or scorch. And once it starts to thicken, it'll happen pretty quickly. You can see it starting to clump. Alright, it's starting to come together now, very quickly. Okay, we're good. Turn that. Now I'm just working it. Now it is a little warm, so you're going to want to be careful. Remember, I told you in another video that I wanted to make some little shamrocks to put on a shelf behind my desk. That's what we're going to be doing. But I think for what I'm wanting to do, this is going to work the best. I'm going to grab something like a plastic bag that I can roll out the dough. So this is just a lid off of a aluminum foil pan. I think I'm going to use that. Let me grab these scissors. Yeah, I think that'll work nicely. I don't think I'm going to need a big piece right now. If you're not going to work with it very quickly, then you would want to put this in a plastic bag. But we're just going to cut out some shamrocks, so I think we're going to be okay. I do want, let's see, I may need more, because I do want them to be a little thick, because I'm not going to hang them. I want to just kind of lean them against something on the shelf or I guess I could make them thick enough that they would stand up on their own. But it's got such a small little stem that I don't think that's going to be doable. Alright, but that's a good thickness. Now you can let these air dry, but you could also put them in the oven at 175 for just a few minutes. Just keep an eye on them. Oh, my little stem just broke right off. So I think what I'm going to do is just grab some. And work it. Come over here. I wonder if I can. And I just got a little wetness there. And I'm going to push them together. I like the texture of this one versus, say, salt dough, because salt dough is very gritty. But it's also fun to work with. We made a snowman, if you remember. We did a little snow scene for Christmas. Okay. Hey, so I am going to let these dry. Then I have some just green paint. I'll bring you back. We'll get these painted up and get them ready to go in my office.